So I have been testing out some products, and today I'm testing out this DM double-sided foam tape. Now I got the 0.5 inch width, but this is a 10-foot roll, so it actually comes with quite a lot. You can use this on all kinds of surfaces like glass, aluminum, steel, marble, all that kind of stuff, but they do recommend not using it like on painted walls or drywall. Of course, if you go to remove it, it could take some of the paint off. So, I mean, but you use your own discretion. But what I'm gonna do is I hang it right here on my sliding glass door just to see how durable this tape really is. So I'm just gonna take it and put it on each corner, and you can actually just rip this, the paper that covers it. You can see I have the tape on all four corners, and I'm gonna hang it on this glass and just press firmly. Again, this is metal, it does have some weight to it. Actually is holding it really nice. I'm gonna leave it up here for a couple hours, make sure it's holding it, and then I'll come back. This thing has been hanging up for a while. This thing is still just as sturdy on the glass as when I first put it on here, so let's try and take it off and see if there's any residue left behind. Just like that. You can see the 4 pieces of tape left. Just a little bit on this corner, but other than that, nothing was left behind. So overall, it did a really nice job. It held up that picture. A bit of a residue behind, but you can just use a razor blade to remove that. So that was super simple. So overall, I think this tape has good adhesion. Seems like it's really durable. Held that picture on my glass just fine. Looking for some good foam tape, then definitely check this out.